Hello. So, what I am going to be discussing about in this video is the Donna number 22374 olive oil plus vitamin E treated day and night cap, and the size is super jumbo, as you can see. But it has organic olive oil and vitamin E, and what it does, strengthens, improves, and repairs. And it's double layered with a silky and soft satin and a comfort elastic band. And on the back, it just showing you how it can come in different colors. So you don't necessarily have to get the black. I think the black one's numbered by itself, but it comes in these different colors as well. I know when I was in the store, I've seen the white one and I've seen the purple and the red, but I just wanted to do black because black is one of my favorite colors, but red is too, so I don't know why. And I don't like purple. Anyway, so and that's what the elastic band looks like, but I'll definitely show what it looks like or whatever. So this is how big it is. Let me see if I can get like a little bit darker so it can see a little bit better. Okay. Alright, see, this is okay. And then when I move it, it gets lighter. Okay, so I'll just do it like this. Okay, so this is how big it is. There we go. I had to do a separate video so you can see without it being too grainy. But yep, this is how big it is. And then this is for like styles of, like, for instance, if your hair is like big and you don't have a cap that necessarily like fits all of your hair, like if you was to wear like your hair curly, or if you have got a hairstyle with got curls in it, like if you got it straight and you put some waves or some curls, or if you was to do a flexi rod set or a perm rod set, and the days go by, your hair just gets real big and full and fluffy looking and just real big. And I was like, okay, I need a cap that's gonna really fit all my hair, because my hair can get big throughout the days. Like, it'll be, just real, like just normal. Well, I'm not saying big hair isn't normal, but I love my hair. Let me just shut up. Let me just say I love my hair. But, the days go by, especially when you wear hair natural or when you got a set going on, it does get bigger because it's old hair. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, just being real. But anyway, so the only problem that I have with this is that the elastic is small. As far as like, for example, when I had my hair in a perm rod set, it got bigger throughout the days, right? So I was like, okay, the first day it wasn't too bad because it was still kind of small and I wasn't fluffing it out. So all I did was just flip my hair over, stretch it out, and just put the cap on my head. This ain't going anywhere. As far as when you put this on your head, you don't really have to worry about this slipping off at night. That is the good thing. And then the inside, it has like this, how can I explain it? It has a like where your hair can get air. I'm reading the box, that's why I said oil. But it has like a where your hair doesn't feel like it's like suffocating, suffocating, if that makes sense. And it has like little small holes, like if you had like a t-shirt and it had like small holes in it or something, and you get a nice cool air sensation, and like it's not like, how can I'm trying to explain the best way I can. Let's just say that your hair gonna get some air. Let's just say that, okay? Being around the bush, saying it, like come on now, okay. your hair gets air. It got some air in it. Your hair isn't suffocating, getting all dry, and then plus it got vitamin E and olive oil in it as well. So that's one of the reasons why I like it. Kind of have like that jersey material. Not necessarily jersey material, but that's what it looks like to me. Whew, jeez, that was. I really don't have any complaints with this cap. But I think with just the elastic band, it's not so much on the inside. It's the elastic band where it may get a little hot, like just around the front part, but the edges stay smooth. It stays slick, and your hair will stay in the style that you had it in. And what I mean by that is, like, if you had a curly set, a perm rod set, hair is curly, really pretty, your style will last,